Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Rescue Digital Media. Today, in this video, I will show you how to fix VLC Merge videos not working with 4 quick fixes. But before that, like, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get notified when our new video lands. Now, let's move on to fix this issue. Solution 1. Close and open VLC player again. Sometimes the internal glitches and bugs start causing such issues. Therefore, in this situation, rebooting both your PC and VLC player can fix the error. Follow the instructions below to reboot the VLC media player. Press Ctrl + Alt + Del keys simultaneously to launch menu. Next, select Task Manager from the list appeared. Then, go to Processes tab and look for the VLC media player. Once found, click on it and hit the End Task button at the bottom. Now, restart your PC and launch VLC again to play the merged video. Solution 2. Change portrait source videos to landscape ones. Here are the steps to follow. Open a portrait video you need to rotate to landscape orientation in the VLC media player. Click the Tools menu and select the Effect and Filters option. Next, select the Video Effects tab and go to the Geometry sub-tab. Select the Transform option. Then select the Rotate by 90 degrees option. Press the Save, then Close buttons. Solution 3. Update VLC's video codec. Open the VLC media player. Click the Help menu and click the Check for Updates option. Press the Yes button if an update is available. Thereafter, click the Install button on the Update VLC Media Player prompt. Then install the software update via the VLC Media Player setup window. Solution 4. Fix merged video issues with Video Repair tool. If you have any problem in the created merged video, try fixing the problem with Video Repair tool. It fixes corrupted, jerky, pixelated, grainy, out of sync, truncated, blurry, no sound, black/gray screen, and other video related issues. Apart from that, it can also repair corruption in video frames, header, and slider movement. The best thing about this program is that it's available on both the OS, Windows and Mac respectively. So, just download and install this video repair on your PC and repair grainy/pixelated video easily. Here is how you can use this tool. Download, install and launch video repair software on your system. Click on Add Files to add corrupted video files. Click on Repair button to begin the repairing process. This start repairing your added video files one by one. You can click on Preview in order to preview the repaired video file within the software and click on Save Repaired Files button to save the repaired videos at desired location. Find its download and user guide links in the below description box. That's all. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.